Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're looking at this green screen kit that I bought off eBay. It's a green screen with a few different backgrounds and 4 lights, I believe. There will be a link in the description below to purchase this kit and ones like it. First, I'm going to take everything out of the bag that it comes in. This was a little hood reflector or light reflector. It would have 3 backdrops right here, the black one, a white one, and a green one. Comes with 4 lights. These were all 100-watt lights, I believe, or 100-watt equivalent lights. An umbrella reflector. I'm gonna set off to the side. Here's some poles. Didn't know what they were before at first, but these are going to be what holds the green screen up. These are those poles. Set those off to a side. Got a bunch of long white boxes. Gonna open these up, and come to find out, they are all little tripods. Again, I will do an update video on this so you can see what I did to make this kit better, such as on those tripods. They do like to be spread far apart, but they do need some weight. I got a couple little boxes we're opening up right here. This is the mount for a light, and here's another one, 2 of the same. Don't forget to like while you're watching this, subscribe and share. Another pouch. This is going to be another reflector, I believe. It's a square reflector. And they have a little folded up, I thought it was directions, but it comes to be a muffler? Not a muffler, but a reflector to put over the lights. Let's go ahead and set all these up real fast. So we're going to have 4 tripod lights and 2 tripod stands. Actually, they're all tripod stands, but 4 are going to be for lights, 2 are going to be for the backdrop. When you open these, they're a little bit sticky. You got to make sure that the hinges are actually like going with each other. You have to direct them a little bit when you first open them up. These are the mounts for the lights. These mounts are also going to hold the white reflector, the umbrella reflector. This I thought was directions at first. I opened it up, and it's a reflector to put over this square light. I'll show you in a second. When you open this up, the metal wires, well, they appear to be wires at the bottom. You push them down, they'll click into place, and it'll hold the hood open or the umbrella open. Tighten it down onto the tripod, and this is the cover. I actually don't use it too much now that I'm using this light kit and everything. Forgot to put a light bulb in there. Comes with these light bulbs. I do recommend replacing these with an LED light, but again, that'll be in the second video that I'll upload shortly to this, and what I changed and how I made it work a little bit better for me. This kit, that is. On 2 of the tripods, the tops are threaded. I accidentally put that light mount on the wrong tripod at first. The threaded tripod holds the top bar for the backdrop. Usually I just tighten one on so you can see what it's looking like. Open up this square reflector and push those tension rods down. I know, that's what I would like. I think that we call tension rods. Hey, look, subscribe again, please. Not again, but subscribe. I'd say, I don't know, you're doing a great job, actually. This mounts right onto the tripod. They move around really easy. And of course, like everything else, when you put them on, just make sure it's snug. Don't tighten everything down really tight, because it's pretty flimsy made, I should say. But it works. So put the light bulb in first. And the reflector, or maybe call it reflector. It muffles the light a lot. The reason we need so much light is for the green screens, you can't have any shadows. And that is a problem with this green screen kit. Here's the umbrella. It slides right into this mount. One of the reasons I bought this kit, and main reason, is these lights. Really, you can see how much shadows are in this video right now. If you look at my newer videos I've uploaded in the last week or two, they are way different and huge night and day clarity of the videos with the proper lighting. So this kit works for the price it is, I'd say. Set that tripod light stand off to the side. More light bulbs. Everything goes together really easy. There's nothing real hard about this. You do need a lot of space. I was so excited to get this set up when I first got home from work. I'm still at work closing this video, but oh well. You can see this one has the threaded tip on the tripod. It has a wing nut on it as well. Those are the two tripod stands that are going to hold the top of your green screen, or your backdrop, sorry. You could use 2 at a time to make a shorter backdrop, or all 4 to make a pretty large green screen backdrop, black screen or white screen. And if you had somebody else to help you in this situation, it would help a huge bunch. But I did it on my own. There's a washer you're going to put on the bottom of the pole, and then another washer on top, and then the wing nut. Do it on both sides. It would be nice if you could lift it up evenly, but here you could see that I lifted up one side, not all the way up, maybe halfway up. Lift this side all the way up. Almost all the way up. And then go back and lift the first side all the way up to the top. These are little clips, hard to see because the lighting sucks. I have all the lighting behind me. Now I have all the lighting in front of me. Here's your backdrops, the green, the white, and the black. Those clips I just showed you will hold your backdrops onto your frame. This green screen, white screen, and black screen are a little difficult because there's lots of wrinkles in it. This is how it would hang in the hamburger bun style. Again, the wrinkles, 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 wrinkles. You could also set it up like this in the hot dog bun style. So it's longer, but shorter. Doesn't touch the ground, but it's a nice 10 feet wide green screen. But again, wrinkles. Set everything up so you can see it all. All 4 lights, the green screen. It's actually a pretty nice kit. Remember to check for links in the description to buy, like, subscribe, and share. And hopefully I'll see you on the next, hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.